In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly meetings. If you're new to Calendly, it's a fantastic tool for scheduling appointments without the hassle of back and forth emails. Let's dive right in and get you started on setting up your first meeting. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see a clean and simple interface that makes scheduling a breeze. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic begins, as you're about to create a new meeting type that best suits your needs. Next, you'll be presented with a selection of different meeting types. Whether it's a one-on-one, a group meeting, or something else entirely, choose the type that matches what you're aiming for. Each type has its own specific settings, so be sure to select the one that aligns with how you plan to interact with your invitees. Once you've selected your meeting type, it's time to give your meeting a name. This is the name that will appear on the invite that goes out to your potential attendees, so make it descriptive and clear. After naming your meeting, you'll need to decide on its duration. Calendly offers a range of options, from a quick 15-minute check-in to a more extensive 2-hour session. Choose a time that works for both you and your invitees. To ensure a smooth scheduling experience, moving on, you'll need to set the location for your meeting. Calendly gives you flexibility here, whether you prefer a Zoom call, a phone meeting, an in-person gathering, or another type of location. Just select the appropriate option. This way, your invitees know exactly where to meet you. Now, let's talk about availability. Calendly allows you to customize your schedule so that people can only book times that work for you. Make sure you adjust these settings to reflect your real availability to avoid any scheduling conflicts. You might also want to set an invitee limit. This is particularly useful if you're hosting a group event and need to cap the number of participants. Simply set your limit, ensuring you have a manageable group size. Next up, you need to select the host. If you're the one running the meeting, you'll be the host. However, if you're setting this up for someone else, make sure to choose the correct host from the options available. Finally, once you've reviewed all your settings and everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom and click Create. Your meeting is now set up and ready to go, and you can start sending out invites. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a meeting in Calendly. With these steps, you can streamline your scheduling process and make sure everything is organized efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.